Starting a garden doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially when you choose the right crops. Here are my all-time favorite easy-to-grow fruits and vegetables, perfect for beginners or seasoned gardeners looking for low-maintenance options. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a garden staple. They grow well in sunny spots, are easy to maintain, and taste delicious fresh off the vine. Try cherry or Roma varieties for quick results. Lettuce. Lettuce is perfect for beginners. It's fast-growing and can be harvested as baby greens or full heads. Plus, it can grow in small spaces, making it perfect for pots or raised beds. Zucchini. Zucchini is a fast-growing vegetable that loves the spring sunshine. Its productivity is impressive, often yielding more than you can eat. It's perfect for stir-fries, grilling, or even baking into bread. Strawberries. Strawberries are easy and fun to grow. Plant them in sunny spots, and within a few months you'll have sweet, juicy berries to enjoy. Plus, they're great for kids to grow. Radishes. Radishes are a fast-growing veggie, ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. They thrive in cooler weather and add a crisp, peppery bite to salads. Growing these easy vegetables and fruits will not only boost your confidence but also give you a steady supply of fresh, homegrown produce.